welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video we are going to create this beautiful party glam makeup look. So I'm going to tell you guys the products are super affordable, and this makeup look is perfect for people with oily skin. So if you want to know how I've created this look, then continue watching. First up, I'm applying this beautiful minimalist moisturizer. This is a oily skin moisturizer, after which I'm gonna let the moisturizer sit in my skin for a while, and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I've been using this Inside Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and I'm kindly obsessed with it right now. And this is a stunning eyebrow pencil. What I'm doing here is I'm just outlining the exact shape of my eyebrows, and then I'm just filling in the areas where I see a little bit of gaps or space in it, and then I'm just combing everything in place. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to just pick up this gorgeous Swiss Beauty concealer. Again, affordable concealer, but then the quality of this product is just beautiful. I've used the shade called 06. This is not my skin tone concealer, this is more like a highlighting concealer for me, but I've used this on my eyelids so that I can create some nice popped up eye makeup look. Also, this concealer is a liquid concealer, and it is a medium coverage concealer, not a high coverage. For powder, I've been using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 30 Deep, and I'm just setting my eyelids with it now. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to apply this gorgeous Inside Cosmetics kajal. This kajal is below 100 rupees, you guys, and the coverage and pigmentation of this kajal is beyond. The kajal is absolutely gorgeous. You can see when I'm applying it on my eyelids, it's just gliding so smoothly, and it is super creamy and buttery and perfect for a smoky eye look. Using a nice blending brush, I'm just giving it inward strokes because I want to blend the harsh line. Can you see that big patch or a sort of line that you see? So I'm just bringing the brush in inward strokes to blend it out. Generally it's very difficult to blend out the smoky eye if you are a beginner, but I think this technique is going to be super easy. All you have to do is just get your brush in inward strokes like I am doing, and then you will have a nice smooth blended kajal or smoky eyes effect. Alright, now it's time to add a nice beautiful transition, for which I'm using the Swiss Beauty Infinite Looks eyeshadow palette. I've spoken about this palette in my last video. If you want to know everything about this palette, then you got to watch my previous video, you guys. Now I'm picking up this gorgeous peachy shade from this palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. I'm just applying this as a beautiful transition shade, and that's it, you guys. Now I'm gonna quickly do the same thing on my other eye, and I'm gonna be back. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up this gorgeous coppery color shimmer. This is a nice beautiful copperish color shimmer. So I'm picking the shimmer and applying it on the complete eyelids wherever I've applied kajal. I'm just pressing this on my kajal itself. Now once I'm done with this, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can use a brush, but make sure you add a little bit of spray before using the brush. Now I'm going to use a glitter, for which I'm using a two-way gel. You can also use a glitter glue if you want, but this two-way gel is absolutely stunning and very affordable, so I like to use this two-way gel for my glitters. Now I'm just picking up this glitter and applying it here. Now for glitter, you can use any brand, but the brand that I have used is the Glitter Company from Instagram store. I'll mention the Instagram handle in my description so you guys can have a look. Same thing I'm doing on the other side of the eye as well. Now whatever fallout of glitter that I have, I'm just cleaning it with the help of this spoolie. So if you want to take off all that excess glitter, you just have to take a spoolie. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to add the same Inside Cosmetics kajal. I've gone with 2 to 3 strokes like you can see, and it gives me a beautiful payoff. Now I'm just picking up a pencil brush and smudging everything out in place using a black eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to highlight my inner corner to add that beautiful pop effect. Alright, let's get started with the face makeup. For face, I've just used all the products which are beautiful for oily skin. I have a oily skin. So yeah, I'm using a pore minimizing primer from Inside Cosmetics, which is absolutely gorgeous. I've just picked the Inside Cosmetics color corrector, and for foundation I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation. Now for color correction, you guys have seen me doing that zillion times, but anyway, I'm just gonna add a link if you still want to see how I color correct my face. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline foundation from 338 spicy brown shade. Concealer is 50 cafe. Guys, I absolutely forgot how much I used to love this foundation and concealer, and the shade of this foundation is a exact match to my skin tone. So after using this foundation for a very long time, I did love it. Now for contour blush highlight, using the same Swiss Beauty Infinite Looks palette, they have given two contours, two highlight, and two blushes. One is for the lighter to medium skin tone complexion, and the other one is for people like me who are dusky to deep skin tone. So I went in with the darker color one, and I'm just applying that on my face now. For blush, I have picked up the beautiful blush they have given in the palette itself. This is more like a nice beautiful peachy sort of a color. And for highlighter, I'm using a golden highlighter from the palette, and you guys can see all the blush contour highlight is absolutely stunning, and it's not making my skin patchy or any of that. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna highlight my nose and my cupid's bow. Okay, now it's time to add on some lipstick. For lipstick also, I went in with a super affordable range of lipstick, which is the Inside Cosmetics one. I wanted something light, so I went for the Inside Cosmetics Joyful shade lipsticks. This is such a stunning nude sort of a lipstick for people with dark skin tone, and the color itself is so unique, you guys. And for topping it up, I just used this gloss from Inside Cosmetics, and that completes my look. Do let me know, did you guys enjoy watching this makeup tutorial? If yes, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell on so that you can get notified every time I post a video. And please do follow me on my Instagram. I am gonna see you guys in my next upcoming video. Stay tuned, you guys, because I'm gonna create some amazing festive makeup looks on the way.